Guys, I have found the face cream. I have found the face cream that I believe a lot of people would love. This is the face cream. This is the Advanced Korean Skin Active Fair Cream. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this particular cream, what it contains, how the texture looks like or feels like, everything you need to know about this cream, and how I use it to get this beautiful and this glowing skin. I've been using this cream for over a month, a little bit over a month now, and trust me when I tell you that this cream is a good one, it is. But before we dive right into this video, a disclaimer: there is a little controversy surrounding this brand, Advanced Korean Skin Care brand. I've talked about the body lotion. I've used the body lotions, two of their variants, the yellow one and the orange one, of which I've come here to share my own opinion on them. Okay, this brand has no official website. They don't have any verified social media accounts. The only thing you can see on them are from, distributors or people selling, wholesalers or retailers selling their products. Like, we don't know who owns the brand, and that is quite shady. A lot of skincare influencers have discouraged a lot of people from using this brand because they have no official website. So if you have any issue, you don't have who you are going to contact. The name says Advanced Korean, and the brand claims that their products are designed in Korean, but we all know that this is not a Korean brand. So who are the owners of this brand? Nobody knows. So if that bothers you, if you like to use products from reputable brands like Ole, Medix, all these annual, all these, reputable brands, then you might just skip this video, or you can keep watching but don't purchase any of these products. I just want to put it out there so that you know what you are getting into. But me, I've used this product. I've used two of their body lotions, which I absolutely love, and I'm currently using their face cream, which I absolutely love. Okay, and based on what I've noticed, I can tell you for a fact that this brand, the ones I've used, don't have like steroids or bleaching ingredients. They will not bleach your skin. I've used two of their products and I did not notice any. When you use a bleaching cream, you will know now. When you use in fact, when you smell a bleaching cream, you would know. And this doesn't have any of those, things that will make me say, okay, this is a bleaching cream or this has steroids, based on my own personal experience. Okay, so I just wanted to put this out there before we continue. So now that is out of the way, let's get back to our review. Okay, guys, please hit the subscribe button. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share to your family and friends. Please, if you have any question whatsoever, please drop them in the comment section, and let's just continue with this video. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this particular face cream. This is an amazing face cream that I can guarantee you would brighten your skin and fade your hyperpigmentation with consistency. Now, this cream has two variants. Their face cream, they have two variants. They have the one that brightens the skin. That one is the brightening face cream, and they have this one, the active fair face cream. This is a lightening face cream. Yes, this is not a brightening face cream. Like I mentioned earlier, they have two variants. The brightening one, I'm going to leave a picture up here, which is suitable for all skin complexion and all skin type. If you have dark skin, you have caramel skin, you can use that one to brighten your skin. But this particular one is a lightening face cream because it has varieties of lightening ingredients. This face cream contains tranexamic acid, glutathione, niacinamide. It also contains alpha arbutin. All these are lightening ingredients. They are not brightening ingredients. And then it contains proline, it contains urea, it contains ceramides. All these are hydrating ingredients. So this product has a combination of hydrating ingredients and lightening ingredients that will lighten your hyperpigmentation, brighten your skin. If you're a fair person, I'm a fair person, and this did not lighten my skin, it only gave me brightening results, and it helps to fade my hyperpigmentation. And one amazing thing about this face cream is that it is hydrating. If you know lightening face creams, if you've used lightening face creams a lot, you will know that they are usually not moisturizing, but you see this particular one, it is super moisturizing. It is hydrating, and it is very lightweight. This is not something that will clog your pores. So if you have oily skin, you can still use this. If you have dry skin, you will love this. If you have combination skin, you will love this. All skin type and fair people can use this particular one. Now let me quickly explain why I said this is good for fair or light skinned people. A lot of people feel like using lightening products means you are bleaching your skin, but tell me, how can you fade hyperpigmentation without using lightening products? There are safe lightening products and there are unsafe lightening products. The unsafe ones contain harsh chemicals, steroids, hydroquinone, or safe lightening ingredients in an unsafe percentage. Let me quickly explain. 2% hydroquinone is safe. Even 4% hydroquinone is safe for fading hyperpigmentation. Anything higher than that is unsafe. It will bleach your skin and you will experience a lot of side effects. The result a fair person gets from using a lightening product is different from the result a dark person would get. As a dark person, you have a lot of melanin. And what is the function of lightening products again? To suppress melanin production. For a fair person, the lightening product will only focus on where there is melanin, where there is hyperpigmentation. But for someone that has a darker complexion, that lightening product has a tendency of lightening your overall complexion. So if you're dark in complexion and you want to use a lightening product for your hyperpigmentation, you need to be very, very cautious of how you use it. It is always best to use that product to spot treat or only use it on affected areas and not your entire face or body to prevent it from bleaching your skin. So yeah, I hope you now understand why I said this is for fair or light skinned people. If you are dark in complexion, use it to spot treat or only apply it on the affected area. Now let's talk about the packaging. This is very, very similar to the COSRX packaging. If you've used COSRX before, you will know that they are very similar. This is what the inside looks like. It has another cover here, so you just open it this way, and this is what the texture looks like. The texture is also similar to the COSRX, but it is not slimy like COSRX, but it has a very lightweight, creamy texture that is really, really, really hydrating. This is what the cream looks like. I absolutely love the texture, and I love how hydrating it makes my skin feel. I usually tell people that after using their face creams, they should still layer with a moisturizer, because face creams are not usually hydrating. Okay, they can be drying, but this particular one, you don't need to use your moisturizer after using your face cream. Now, because this is a lightening face cream, I use this the way any sane person would use a lightening product. I don't use this every day, and I use this only at night. I use this 3 times at night, at most weekly. So my nighttime routine are pretty much shared. I have days that I use my exfoliants, I have days that I use my retinoids, and I have days that I use this cream. So I don't use this cream on days I'll be exfoliating my skin, or on days I'm using my tretinoin. So if you're going to use this cream, please use this cream 3 times weekly at most, especially if you have other things in your nighttime skincare routine. Now, this face cream has a concoction of various different tyrosinase inhibitors, so you don't need to use it with any other serum. I just use this alone. After I cleanse my skin, I go in with this my milky toner. If you don't have a toner, you can skip, but if you want added hydration and if you want that plump skin, get yourself a good hydrating toner, and then I go in with my face cream. That is how simple my nighttime routine is. Now, I've noticed a brighter complexion, I've noticed a more even and a more radiant skin. Now, for today's video, I'm using a LED light, but I can still go to my normal place where I shoot my video to show you how my skin looks like on normal natural lightning. Let me just do that quickly. As you can see, my skin looks brighter. I don't even have one hyperpigmentation or one dark spot, like not even one. My skin looks very, very even and radiant. So if you're fair in complexion, or you are even caramel, and you're looking for a face cream that will help with your hyperpigmentation and also to brighten your skin, go and get this particular face cream. If you are dark in complexion, use this face cream to spot traits. So you can also use this face cream on any other place where you have hyperpigmentation. After pregnancy, my neck got dark. I had dark neck after pregnancy. At some point, it was fading, like it was clearing out. But a few months ago, I noticed that it started getting darker and darker and darker. I use this face cream. It hasn't completely cleared. I don't know if you can see it clearly, but this is my neck, and you can see that some parts is dark. This part is dark. It is this face cream I used to lighten up this place. It was worse than this, trust me, it was worse than this. But I use this face cream, I was always applying it on the pigmented parts. I will only apply it on where I have hyperpigmentation, you get. And I also use this on my underarms to brighten my underarms. For my underarms, I'm yet to see a drastic improvement, but for my neck and for my face, I've noticed a huge improvement in my complexion and in the hyperpigmentation. If you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, or if your face is darker than your body, I recommend this face cream. I absolutely have no issue with this face cream. The only issue I have is in the brand itself. Why don't they have an official website? Advanced Korean Skin, why don't you have an official website? Why is your brand acting shady? I strongly believe that if this brand should come out and verify their products, come out in a professional way so that people will feel safe while using their product, trust me, they are going to sell out because their products really works. Anyways, that is my review on the Advanced Korean Skin Active Fair Cream. I absolutely love this face cream and I'm going to rate this a 9.5 over 10. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think about this brand, the Advanced Korean Skincare brand? What do you think about their products? Have you tried any of their products, or do you plan on trying any of their products? Or are you among those that will be like, they don't have an official website, they are shady, I'm not using their product? Let me know which you follow in the comment section. And as usual, if you enjoyed today's video, if you've learned something new from this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Like this video, share this video to your family and friends. If you have any question, ask them in the comment section. I always try my best to reply the comments. And until I see you on my next one, guys, have a beautiful week. Bye.